Hello, welcome to English 100 and English 100S. My name is Alex Sterling, and this is your quick welcome video. On your screen is the English 100 Canvas site. We will go over that in a little bit. First, a couple things about me. I am making this video in my dining room. I live in Albany, which is over near Berkeley, with my wife and our two sons who are teenagers. And behind me you can see my bookshelves, because of course I'm a big reader because I teach English. I have been teaching at LMC since 2005, so it's been a great job for me, and I hope that LMC works well for you. A couple things about the course. English 100 is required if you want to get a degree or if you want to transfer. It is very important. It is college composition, which is about writing. So we read books, we have discussions, we write essays, and the goal is the English 100 helps you to be ready, not just for other English classes, but for writing assignments you might get in all of your college courses. English 100S is a support course that is attached to English 100, and the goal is to help you succeed in English 100. More about that later. This course is a hybrid. It is partly in person. We meet in a regular classroom. And it is partly an online course, half and half. Part online, part in person. Our in-person class meets at 9:35 on Tuesday mornings, and you can see the online portion is here in Canvas. So whenever you go to Canvas, you will usually click on the Start Here button, because that takes you to whatever we're doing that week. So to start, we have this first module. So everything is in modules. There'll usually be one module per week. And this is where the online portion of the class happens. So when you get to the module, you click on the first thing. You do what it says, you read, then you click next, and you go to the next thing. And that's the short version of how to do an online class. It is an asynchronous online class. That means we don't have a meeting time online. So we have a time for meeting in person. But the online part is asynchronous, which means you just do the stuff when you want. You just have to make the deadline. Okay, so why have a hybrid course? Well, I think there's a lot of good things about a hybrid. Partly, it's just a compromise. We are still dealing with the COVID pandemic. We have the Delta variant. We have to have class in masks, which is imperfect. So the hybrid is a compromise. We get to see each other in person, but we reduce our risk by having a lot of class time online. So I think it works well. Also, I think a hybrid class is a good thing in general because we have a lot of different learning techniques we can use. We can use the best of in-person, and we can use the best of online teaching. So I think you'll find it a good way to take English 100. So how do you navigate a hybrid class? Part of it is that you just go to class in person. It only meets once a week, so you need to be there every week, Tuesdays at 9:30. Also, you need to go to Canvas, and here we are in Canvas. You need to go to Canvas a lot. You will look at Canvas several times a week. You will do activities in Canvas. You will get the homework from Canvas. And so Canvas is home base for this course, and you'll be using it all the time. So that means you do need internet, and if you don't have internet at home for some reason, you should be in touch with me right away. I do think you should be able to use campus computer labs to get online this semester, because the campus is open again. All right. So how can you be successful in this course? Partly go to class, partly go to Canvas very often. Also, you should be in touch with me a lot. You can use email to contact me. You can use Remind, which is an app that allows you to send me a text, and I will text you too. I will have office hour both on campus in my office in the English department, and I will have online office hours. So there's going to be a lot of different ways to be in touch with me. Okay, so you should definitely go to Canvas and explore and start seeing what's in there. And I will see you in class at 9:35 on Tuesday. And this is your campus map. So this is the Pittsburgh campus of LMC. This is your main road here. And our class is in room 131 in the science building. And there's the science building right there. It's right near the parking lot in the front of campus. Thanks, everyone. See you soon.